make a Christmas tree, first take a green colored chart paper. Then draw the shape of a Christmas tree of the size that you want, like so, and cut it. Now for the bark of the tree, you can either paint it or use a colored paper to cover it, like you can see here. Now comes the fun part, just be creative and decorate your tree. Here I am taking a piece of crepe paper, but you can also use simple paper or even colored tissue paper to make this. To make this, just fold your paper like so and secure it with glue. You can use a double-sided tape or even glue to stick this on. Then to make gifts, here I am using cutouts of gift paper or pattern papers and glitter foam sheet. Then I took a piece of lace, ask your mom for this, and wrap it around your tree once so that you will know how much you need and cut the extra. I used washi tapes, but you can also use foam sheet or paper. Then I made a plus like so. Then I took a red ribbon and cut it from the middle and fold the both ribbons and secure it with glue like so. To make the effect of the snow, you can use thermocol or even cotton. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs like this one. And if you want to watch more DIYs, there's a link in my description of my art and craft playlist, so make sure you check that out. And also follow me on my social media, the links are here and in the description box as well.